DJI has once again taken the drone world by storm with the highly anticipated DJI Neo 2, a compact yet revolutionary flying machine that is already stirring excitement among creators, travelers, and aerial photographers. The Neo 2 isn't just another update. It's a statement that DJI is ready to redefine the limits of what an ultralight drone can achieve. Let's dive deep into the rumors, leaks, and insider insights that have painted a full picture of what this next-generation drone might deliver. DJI's legacy of innovation continues, and the DJI Neo 2 might just be one of its most transformative products yet. The company has been dominating the aerial technology space for years, but this new model feels like a bold new chapter. With its rumored features, sleek design, and modular ecosystem, the Neo 2 represents more than just evolution. It's the start of a new way of flying. Early whispers began when reliable DJI insiders teased hints of a small yet powerful drone equipped with technology far beyond its weight class. Speculation quickly spread that the Neo 2 could set a new standard for sub-250G drones, delivering the kind of cinematic quality once reserved for larger, more expensive models. One of the most striking aspects of the DJI Neo 2 is its ultralight design. Weighing only around 135G, it's even lighter than most smartphones, making it one of the most portable drones ever built. DJI seems to have prioritized mobility, ensuring users can pack it anywhere, from a backpack to a jacket pocket, without compromising on performance. Despite its small form factor, the Neo 2 doesn't feel fragile. It's rumored to have a reinforced composite body, aerodynamic arms, and retractable landing gear that enhance both durability and performance. On one arm, observers have noticed what appears to be a LiDAR sensor, while the opposite arm seems to feature a mini status display, possibly for showing live telemetry, flight modes, or battery levels. If true, this is an incredibly forward-thinking move, giving pilots instant feedback without needing to check a smartphone or controller. The heart of any drone is its camera, and the Neo 2 is rumored to feature a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of delivering true 4K 60 frames per second video with an impressive 13.5 electron-volt stops of dynamic range. That means deeper shadows, richer highlights, and stunning detail in both bright and dim conditions. But DJI didn't stop there. The Neo 2's imaging system reportedly supports 10-bit D-Log-M color, allowing professionals and content creators to capture cinematic footage ready for color grading. Combined with HDR video recording, users can expect realistic tones, precise contrast, and breathtaking color accuracy. DJI has also enhanced stability by upgrading from a single-axis to a dual-axis mechanical gimbal, which ensures smoother video capture even in strong winds. Whether you're flying above a mountain range or recording fast-moving urban shots, this stabilization system is designed to keep every frame sharp and steady. For pilots, the experience of flying the Neo 2 could be unlike any other compact drone before it. Reports suggest a flight time of up to 19 minutes, powered by a new generation of intelligent batteries. These batteries cost more, around $129, but they reportedly offer better efficiency, faster charging, and improved performance consistency across varying temperatures. The drone's OcuSync 4 transmission system ensures